Okay, what we got here is the GoPro 8 Media Mod. This came in today, and I'm sure you guys are dying to see this tested just like me. We'll do an opening here so you guys can see how it comes together. And you just pull it back and pull it open. Flip this over. We do have a big book, and it don't look like much, huh? There's a little bit of weight to it. A little bit up here by the microphone. Yeah, okay. Let's take this out. And you got a connection. Nothing else in there at all. Okay. Not sure why you need another one of those. So let me grab the GoPro. And let's see how this works. So I've got the GoPro, and I've got the Media Mod. The Media Mod does look really cool. Looks like I got a clip there that pulls down. Okay. Connection in the bottom there, which is over in there. This is pretty self-explanatory. Slides in there pretty tight. Okay. Clamps down. Oh yeah. And the little doohickeys on the bottom still come down. Okay, it says here, update required. Your GoPro needs to be updated with the latest software before we can be paired with the Media Mod. Okay, I'm going to go update it. I'll be right back. Okay, I updated this manually, and there's new settings. What's going on? Swipe down to unlock. You go into your actual video settings, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see my settings there. 4K 60, linear, hyper smooth on, clips off, low light NA, Pro Tune high, shutter auto, EV0, ISO 100 to 800 max, white balance auto, sharpness high, and this is where it's interesting. I see that front. See what it says mic. So if I go in there, use Media Mod mic to prioritize audio coming from in front of the mic. So this setting is the mic in front. If I go this one, this is the microphone that's in the back. Use Media Mod mic to prioritize audio coming from behind camera. And this one is used when wind is not a factor and you want to ensure that your GoPro records in stereo. So we got 3 settings, but does that stereo record front and back? That's what I'm kind of curious about. This is kind of a pain in the butt to make sure it's there. Then I got to switch over if I want to hold it up. So we'll see how it goes. I'll try it with this setting here previous, and then I'll try it with this one, and then I'll try it with this one. And I'll go outside and do this. So we'll do the front first, then we'll do just back, and then we'll do the stereo and see how it sounds. And we'll see how this turns out. And it does look pretty cool, doesn't it? Really a tight package. All right, I want to go test this, and from here on out, what you're going to hear is the GoPro audio, and we'll see how this sounds. Okay, I'm outside now. I can't see if I'm in frame, but I probably am. And we'll see how this audio sounds in the front. Hopefully it sounds great. Check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Got my arm extended. No big deal. Not sure how the sun's gonna come through. But we're checking audio. And we're finding out whether this 80 bucks was worth it. I got some blankets drying back there. A little bit of wind, not much. I mean, can you see the trees moving there a little bit? So, if this sounds good, man, oh man, it's going to be amazing. It is going to be amazing because this is a tight little unit for vlogging, and it really doesn't take much to hold it. Not like some big DSLR like Casey Neistat does. This will definitely be, as they say, a game changer. So, how's it sound if I scream, "Hey! Hey, you!" We'll see how that sounds and what that does. So let's switch over to the back microphone. So I've got the GoPro behind me. Now I haven't changed the settings yet. I'm actually just holding it out. There's the blankets. Talking into the GoPro. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording and we're going to turn on the back mic. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, in this situation I'm recording from the back mic. I've set it in the preferences menu, and I'll even put this in front. So I'm literally talking in the front of the mic, so it's supposed to be the back mic picking up, not the front mic right now. So we'll see what that does. So let me talk into the back. Now I'm talking into the back mic. We'll see how that sounds. I'll even let's do a yell. Hey! Is this spiking or not? We'll see how that sounds. That's loud when I scream. All right, I'm gonna go for the third setting, which says turn on when there's wind. I don't have any wind, but I'm kind of curious how it affects my microphones. So let's see what it does. GoPro, stop recording. So now I'm in the third setting. The third setting is stereo. Record when you know there's no wind. So I guess this should sound the best. And I'm talking in the back of the camera is what I'm doing. So does the back mic and the front mic pick up at the same time when you're in stereo? I would think it would. So let's do a scream test. Hey, we're screaming here. Okay, so now we're going to switch over. I'm going to get a headache doing this. Now we're talking into the front mic, and you can see I'm on camera. And this is the stereo setting. So the first setting was the front mic, which I guess works with wind. And the second setting was the back mic, which works with wind. Where this third setting that I'm talking into now is stereo, which you use when there is no wind, is what this is. So we'll see how this sounds. I think that's a pretty cool test for now. This is really nice on this power stick where I know the battery's never going to go dead. And it works with it. I did pick up a cube light. I'll have a little bit of a review on that maybe later tonight. And if you want to see more on this GoPro 8 with the media mod and other mods, sub up, because you're going to see more, among other things I buy and do. But I didn't get this given to me. It's not some fancy editing where you see me running the wave, you know, just a regular old man running his camera. So if I find anything wrong with it or it's not doing something right, you'll hear it in my videos. You'll see it. You'll see the truth. You won't see a bunch of lies or crap. But so far, I've been very impressed with this GoPro 8. And now, I took a chance on this media mod because what's that, 80 bucks plus the camera. So you're into a pretty expensive setup. But if it works, how light it is and how small it is to carry will be pretty darn awesome. So like I said, you want to see more videos, you got a GoPro 8, hook up, sub, hit the bell. Catch you guys on the next one. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording.